Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach DeHunt from Creative Rocket Ship, and today I'm going to explain to you why your Facebook ads need to be beach balls and not bowling balls, okay? It's a little bit confusing, so I'm going to explain it. It's a great analogy that I explain to all my clients, and it really makes a light go off in their head, so hopefully this helps for you as well. So if you think about a concert, think about the beach ball that's going around, right? It's bright, it's colorful, it's engaging. People are popping it around to their friends, right? They're doing this all voluntarily. They pass it over here. That's what you want your social media ad to be like, okay? It should be light, it should be engaging. People should interact with it voluntarily and pass it around to their friends, okay? A lot of people, the biggest problem I see people do, a lot of business owners show up with a bowling ball, okay? They show up with their standard black bowling ball and they throw that into the crowd, right? Here's 50% off my accounting services, okay? Out of nowhere, it just looks like an ad, smacks them in the face out of nowhere. Think about throwing that bowling ball into the crowd at the concert, right? People, what do? No thank you, okay? They see it coming a mile away. It's the same thing on social media, okay? So do not throw bowling balls when it comes to social media. You don't want to hit them with a hard sell. You want to hit them with a very soft, engaging sell. So say you're selling tire repair services, right? You can't smack them in the face with your bowling ball, right? You're not going to throw $20 off tire repair, $100 off tire repair at them. Instead, what you might do is create a video or find an image of a person that's broken down on the side of the road, something that's a little bit more engaging, and then tell a story about that person and how you helped them with their problem, okay? That's a much more engaging ad than, boom, $100 off tire repair, okay? You got to think about what people are doing before they see these ads. They may have just looked at their grandma's birthday party, they looked at their friend's kid, and then you're going to smack them in the face with some ad offer that they're going to scroll right past instinctively, okay? On Facebook, if they see it as an ad, they're going to fly past it. You need to figure out a way to make people engage with your Facebook ad without initially understanding that it's just an ad right up front, okay? That's what I've done with this ad. Hopefully this is a beach ball for you. It's some shared content, some interesting info that you can share with people. Now granted, here comes your sell. We do offer a 7-minute free demonstration to show you how we can do these same ads for you on social media and show you how to tweak your ads so that they start working, okay? So if you're interested in signing up for a free 7-minute demonstration and we can show you how to fix your Facebook ads and get them running at a positive ROI and figure out what's going on wrong with them. There's multiple variables that could be wrong, but we understand what those are and we can help you figure out what the issues are. It's really not that complicated once you understand Facebook ads, but if you don't understand Facebook ads, it can be very complicated. So if you're interested in a free 7-minute demonstration, I can show you personally how I can help you find more customers out there on social media, period, okay? Free 7-minute demonstration. I'll share my screen with you. You can be in your office, be in your home, and I will share my screen with you. I will show you my plan to find you customers. If you think I'm crazy, you can tell me goodbye. But if you're interested, hear me out. I may very well be able to bring you some more customers that you would appreciate in your business and would help you grow. Okay? So check out the link below, fill out the form, and if you're interested, I'd be happy to work with you on growing your business. This is something that we do for lots of clients, and I love looking at campaigns and figuring out what's wrong and making them work like that for people. So fill in the link below if you're interested in a free 7-minute demonstration. I'll share my screen with you. We'll go over a basic format of what this is going to look like, and we'll go from there, okay? This is Zach from Creative Rocket Ship. I appreciate you checking out this ads. Remember, make beach balls out there, okay? Not bowling balls.